morning, travel friends. It is bright and early. We are heading out of San Francisco today. We are just about, we already got coffee and we're gonna go, oh god, I spilled it again. I'm such a, and now we're gonna go get breakfast to go from Brenda's Soul Food, and then we're gonna hit the road. We wanted to do the Pacific Coast highway, but it seems to be closed, right?
It's a little bit of it closed, but I think we're gonna go halfway down it, and then there's a road that takes us back to the 101.
Okay, so we're gonna do that. So yeah, it will be a full day of driving and being in a car today, and yeah, we're ready to go and go back to the sunny Venice. We got a full bag of goodness. Are you ready for this?
Oh yeah!
Oh yeah! Oh! So this place seems like a really cute, laid-back kind of beach town, but I can imagine that in the summertime this is busy. So it's actually nice to see it like this because it looks so relaxed. There are not a lot of people on the street, it's very chilled. Alright guys, so the next stop will be Monterey, down the Pacific coast, so let's go. I might have left my phone on top of the car before getting in. I can't find it, so now we're driving back and see if we can find something lying on the road. Oh my god, you won't believe this, guys. This is insane. So we drive back to look for the phone, right? Because we remembered that the last time I had my phone, we were walking along the beach. So we walked there again and checked the floor and asked people if they found anything. Then we went on the Lost My iPhone app on Hannah's phone and we played the sound. And did you find it because of the sound? No.
No, I looked in the...
It didn't work, basically. And we checked the car like 10 times, right? We took everything out, we checked all the compartments. It was in the car, stuck underneath the water bottle that we took out about 10 times to check that kind of compartment. I don't know how we missed it. It was kind of wedged in the side. Oh my god. You know the pain you feel when you lose a phone? It's insane. It actually is kind of insane how it makes you feel.
We should get you a chain.
Oh man, you should put me on a chain. I'm eating a Twizzler. You know when you see things on TV or in a movie and you think it looks delicious when you're eating it? I always thought a Twizzler would be delicious. Truth is, it doesn't really taste of much. There is a very slight taste of strawberry, but I'll eat it anyway. Peace. In Big Sur, and we're gonna have lunch and we're gonna go to use the restroom because we need to pee, and it's so pretty. It's like in the middle of the forest and everything seems so calm and chill and beautiful. So yeah, let's get some food.
Yeah, good though.
It was amazing.
Amazing?
It's brilliant, yeah.
And look what he bought.
Another rose.
Oh Oh my god, we can't help ourselves. I got this sticker for my laptop. It's just so cute out here. I'm loving it. I could spend more time here. If you ever drive down the Pacific Coast Highway, definitely come here and check it out. Ooh, is my lens, oh my god. I think it's called Big Sur and it's beautiful.
Yeah.
Okay guys, we have about how many hours left, Jack?
About 6.5, 7 hours of solid driving with no traffic.
With no traffic, which will never be the case when you get into LA. So we still have quite of a stretch in front of us, so we're gonna get going now. Hitting the road. Yeah, hit the road. Hit the road, Jack.
I am, don't worry.
Oh my god, yeah. Just realized this now. So yeah, let's go. Goodbye River Inn in Big Sur. You were lovely. Guys, we came to this place where it says pavement ends. Can you see in front of?
Saying no diversion. So I'm thinking Google. This is like roads in England, so it should be fine.
I'm just not gonna be able to look down anymore.
Yeah, same.
Okay, it was fine. It was just a little part of the road that was a bit dodgy and without pavement, but we did it and we crossed it. You did good. Yes, and now we're on our way again. We don't know what's going on. We're going crazy. There is some.
Crazy loons.
You crazy loons! Something's weird. You can't see me, but the radio just turned on by itself.
It had like warning sirens coming out of the radio, like doo, doo, doo.
Yeah, and it sounded really strange, like weird warning sirens. And now the truck in front of us is blinking his red lights and driving really slow. But that's what I'm thinking. Do you think it was kind of like a warning signal that they use over the, you know, because they use the...
Maybe. I'm so confused.
Guys, we made it. We're in Venice. We are in the Samson. We are in the Samson Venice Samson hostel, whatever. We are right at the beach. You will see that tomorrow morning. And it's been a very long day. We left at 8 o'clock in San Francisco and it's now 10, yeah? Nearly 11 o'clock now here in Venice. So we are all pretty exhausted, Jack especially, because he did all the driving by himself, which is awesome. And now we have a little room for ourselves, which is great. It's just 4 of us and we have our own private bathroom, which is also awesome. And yeah, I think we're gonna sleep like babies tonight because we're all very tired. And so yeah, I'm gonna finish the vlog here, guys. I hope that you enjoyed it. And if you did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. I really hope you enjoyed it and I wish you a wonderful week and I'll see you next Sunday. Bye!